Got a good one going on here, I think. Hasn't been fast and furious today, but we've picked up a few. We've certainly been trying hard enough, haven't we, Ryan?
Oh yeah.
Right there. It's a Rainy Lake special, huh? We've been using jigging wraps. Ryan was trying a spoon earlier, but they didn't seem to like it so much. That's fish number 2. Not bad, hey?
Hi there folks, I'm out here with Paradise Outfitters. Just out here catching some walleye. This is number 3 of the day, but I was looking at the graph and at about 10 feet there was a little blip, and Maddie here said that there was no fish there. It was just random interference. Reeled up, next thing I know, boom.
Yeah, that looks like a healthy fish. Show us the belly on that thing. It's probably a, boy, that's probably a 21, 22 maybe. Good, healthy looking fish. Like he said, it was halfway up the water column. We've been thinking it was just a bunch of random interference on the graph, but there you have it, folks. It's just a prime example of a suspended walleye out here on Rainy Lake. What do you think, Ryan?
Terrific.
All right, good job, buddy. Well, here we are on Rainy Lake. I think it's the 26th or 27th. I don't know what day it is ever. I'm out here fishing with my good buddy Ryan and my buddy Ben. How many have we caught, Ryan?
4.
Yeah, any size to these fish?
Yeah, we got some nice size to them.
13s.
That's right.
We're marking the fish right now, actually. Hopefully, it's dropping down to me right now. Could have one coming. He's right on me. Nice red mark on the graph. It's probably the hardest part about fishing right here is just waiting. Oh, is he on me?
Hey!
Go.
Ben's on the board here.
Coming up a little bit easier than the last one, I don't know. Hopefully, oh, and he came off.
Oh. Well, that happens. It's not fast and furious here, guys. We really got to work these fish. We're not just steady marking
There's
fish.
Still
but
a nice mark down there.
These fish have a tendency to come in and be awfully aggressive, don't they, guys?
Yes, they do. Doesn't take long.
That's right. Yeah, the fish we do mark seem to bite. So we're gonna keep at it. Ben's gonna redeem himself shortly.
He is.
Alrighty. Ben's got fish on the graph, and he's got one on. How's it feel, Ben?
Coming up a little easy now. There, he's putting some fight into it. Coming up easy again. It's not a giant one that we're here for, but it's a crappie. Not bad.
How about that slab, everybody? Ben,
Giant.
Ben, that is a big fish. It's hard to tell on the camera, I suppose, but look at the mouth on this thing, people. Look at that. It's got some really neat looking gold up by his eyes here, you can see. I bet you that crappie right there, that looks like about a 15 at least. That's a slabdino. What do you think there, Ben?
I think if you haven't booked your trip yet, I'd do it right now, because this is some of the funnest fishing I think I've ever done.
Yeah, that's cool when you get on these big fish. There aren't many lakes in the state where you can catch fish like that. But nice job, Ben.
Thanks.
Let's get another one.
I think this is a dream come true, basically.
That's a big crappie. You should feel good about yourself after that one, Ben. A lot of people don't catch a crappie that big in their entire life. And here you are on beautiful Rainy Lake. The scenery's awesome. We're the only ones out here. It's a beautiful day. The temp's nice. But, you know, when you finally get a few to mark, they can come up and be pretty aggressive. So, yeah, there you have it. Come on up and get some slab crappies right there.